to borrow the fluorescent tube out of Mr. Chippie's bench light. We're going to do this 77104 UK on the air test, but before we do that, we've got to replace the microphone on the Thunderpole T3000, which we use in the test vehicle. Now that radio has been provided to us courtesy of Thunderpole, and we always say so in every video, which is very kind of them. And it came about because about 6-7 years ago I said the only radio I'd have in my car, we talk about new radios, would be, I was about to put Harvard 420Ms in all the cars. So the only one I'd put in our car is the Thunderpole 3000. They sent us one gratis. So we've had the microphone, after 4 or 5 years use every day, the microphone cable has failed just here. So I emailed Thunderpole and said, is there any chance of a new mic cable? And said, well, actually we'll send you one of these new mics. So they've sent me a new mic, also gratis, but the point is, this new one has got a metal back instead of the plastic back. And it's something you can buy as an accessory mic. And they supply this magnetic holder which you can screw all 3M tape to your dashboard, and it's really a very powerful magnet. So do you remember those mic clips back in the 80s which were magnetic? The thing about the magnetic mic clips, they're only any good if you've got cars like a Volkswagen Beetle with lots of metal on the dashboard, but nobody I knew had. So we're going to be running with this new microphone today, and in the meantime we'd borrowed another normal Thunderpole from one of our other Thunderpole 3000 radios. So I'm going to have Mr. Chippie talk to me on the existing microphone and then swap it for the brand new mic to make sure there's no tonal difference. So then we'll get going with the video. So I just thought you'd like to know that there's this new swish mic from Thunderpole. I expect that's coming from Nottingham. That's why you can't do 1.9 a copy. You've got to select, you've got to say we're going to meet on a certain channel. It's the only way it works. Tango 21 test. Roger, this fluorescent lamp I've borrowed off your bench is a higher temperature. Mine was warmer, so this is the better colour to have, one of yours which I've pinched.
4,000, you reckon?
I reckon it is. It's much. It's actually better.
Yeah, roger that.
Right, we've gone on to the extension speaker. What we're going to do is Mr. Chippie's going to start off with the normal Thunderpole microphone which we've been using, and he's going to swap it to the brand new one just to see if there's a difference. Hopefully it's exactly the same.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, I'm now ready.
Roger on that. So you're on the existing Thunderpole mic?
Yeah, this is the one we've had to borrow out to the on there to replace the other one.
Roger on that. So would you like to swap to the brand new one, please?
Yep, roger that. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, now on the new mic.
Actually, there is a slight difference, and it's nicer.
Oh, well, that's good.
Yeah, it kind of sounds more speech processed, even though anyway, there you go. What can I say? Right, off you go.
Yep, roger, you got your speaker plugged in and all that.
Roger dodger.
Roger, off with the other.
New improved.
Right, we're now passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio there's no tone control.
Roger that. Right, we're now coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
gas station and it was closed.
Roger on that.
Passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Lancaster Crossroads, and you'll be pleased to know that this radio is a 40 channel UK only set, and we're not got to contend with German people on CBT today.
Yeah, Roger. The condition's still bad, do you know?
I don't know, because I've not been monitoring CBT.
No, when I first switched this radio on, it was still on channel 32 from last night, and there was a bit of something breaking through.
Never got the bit through to the base with yesterday's set because the base was on 31 and I was jabbering on 32. So by the time I'd edited the video, the radio had gone back to the customer.
Oh dear. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, I think everybody heard what it sounded like and that was absolutely fine.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Midland 77 at 104 UK, which is the better version of the 2, not the D version. And I'm on the factory original microphone, the radio's doing the full 4 watt output. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, gotcha.
Right, we're square wheeled at Wilsford Level Crossing.
Maybe a top secret train.
No, it's train to Nottingham, which is going past now.
Gotcha.
Alright, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
What you got? You going over Wilsford Level Crossing?
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
Yes, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. we're now passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point. So on this Midland 77104 UK, doing a 4 watt output and drawing just 750 milliamps. We're going to go to low power, it's set for 400 milliwatts. And if I can find the switch, here we go, 54321. There we are now doing 400 milliwatts and drawing 300 milliamps of current. We're going to go back to full power. There we are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that. No problems on full power. A bit noisier on low power, but still very legible.
There we go, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Alright, we're on the move again.
Roger, that was a bit quicker than yesterday, 6.5 minutes.
Yeah, just a little bit. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 138.9, 146.7.
We're absolutely fine. Thinking about yesterday, I've got S5 of rubbish even on UK channels. Today I've got nothing. It's very light. There's absolutely nothing lit when you're not talking over.
Yeah, it must quieten down again then.
Okay, thanks very much, 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a special price for me today at that end, please, over?
138.9, 146.7.
Oh, well, absolutely fine. Thinking about yesterday, I'd got S5 of rubbish even on UK channels. Today I've got nothing. It's fairy lights and there's absolutely nothing lit when you're not talking over.
Yeah, it must quieten down again then.
Okay, thanks very much, 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Right, that worked great, and this time we'll go over to our base station and it will be on the right channel.
Tango 21 testing the Midland 77104 UK with the factory original microphone at full power into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These radios don't suffer from hum, but this is a hum test. And we'll go to low power. It would diminish if there was a hum. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're now on low power, doing 400 milliwatts back to full power. There we are, back on full power. We might have got a binatone long-range walkie-talkie to do tomorrow, so we'll think about that one. Thanks very much, and catch you on the next video.